Welcome to today's video on the use of data analysis ToolPak for calculating the measures of descriptive statistics. If the data analysis ToolPak is installed, we can find it at the right end of the data tab. In case it is not installed, you can install it by clicking on File and then choosing Options. And under options we have to click on add-ins. We'll have a list of add-ins. Currently for me it is active, but in case it is not active, choose on analysis ToolPak and then click on go. In this box that opens up, we have to check analysis ToolPak and analysis ToolPak VBA options and click on OK. Then we will find the data analysis ToolPak installed at the right end of the data tab. All the descriptive statistics measures can be done using the insert functions option. So under insert function, we have a range of tests that can be done. We can choose statistical from this. Under statistical, we'll have all the statistical tests arranged in alphabetical order, and when each of these tests is highlighted, we'll be able to read about the description of the test, which will help us to choose the right test. But the disadvantage in this is that each of the measure we have to calculate individually. So for example, if I need the mean, I have to click on the test average and I have to feed in my data for which I need the average. Then I get my result here, that is 62.88, and that is what I have mentioned here. Similarly, suppose I need the median. The tests are arranged alphabetically, so I have to move to median. Click on OK. Again, I have to feed in my data and I get the result 63. So, each of these tests we have to choose from the insert function option and we have to do out all the tests. But when we use a data analysis ToolPak, you again have a list of tests here. From this we can choose descriptive statistics. So the input range, I have to feed in my input range and we have to check if the right option is checked here. For example, if we have put our data in the form of a column, we have to check that column is highlighted, and if it is a row, we have to click on this. So that we have to check. Then you can get your output in a range that you select, or you can get it in a new worksheet, or you can get it in a new workbook. So I have chosen the new worksheet option. And what we need is the complete summary statistics. So I am clicking on this and then OK. Now I have a sheet where all the measures of descriptive statistics I got with a single test. So the mean is given here, median and mode, all the three central tendencies. Then we are able to get the standard deviation and also the standard error and sample variance. Get measures of kurtosis and skewness and the range, which is the highest value minus the smallest value, the minimum value, the maximum value, the sum of all the values and the total count. So this is the advantage of using a data analysis ToolPak for descriptive statistics. Thank you.